The coronavirus continues to target one of its most vulnerable populations.
And we are on your side tonight with a look at the number of cases being reported at nursing homes and long-term care facilities around Georgia. Statewide, there are 24,854 confirmed COVID-19 cases and 1,036 deaths reported. Of those deaths, 432 happened at nursing homes or long-term care facilities. WSAV News 3's Ricardo Lewis is taking a closer look at how one facility in Bryan County is working to keep their residents and staff safe.
Long-term care facilities across the coastal empire are finding it harder to figure out who's come in contact with the coronavirus. And now that the state has more readily available testing, one Richmond Hill care facility is now testing all of their residents. The Cook family business started in 1965 to care for their grandparents, then opening this Richmond Hill location in 1996, never thinking a crisis like COVID-19 would hit.
Testing, it has been so difficult.
The Bryan County Health and Rehabilitation Center is now testing all staff and patients for coronavirus after 14 out of 79 patients tested positive. Most patients were asymptomatic before testing. 4 are now in the hospital recovering.
They're being monitored very closely for respiratory symptoms, fever, any change in their condition so that they can be sent out to the hospital quickly. If their condition changes.
At least one staff member tested positive in March.
I hear people say, oh, you're working in a nursing home, y'all test positive, y'all this, but all people have been exposed. That's how I feel.
The staff at this facility has changed how they do their jobs, adapting to new measures to keep everyone safe. The National Guard is coming on a weekly basis to disinfect while also using recommended UV lighting to disinfect surfaces.
We hate that the virus is here. This would never have been identified without the testing, but I assure you we're doing everything we can to do our best to serve our patients.
Positive patients are isolated on another wing of the building. This plastic was put up to secure the area.
It's been difficult because of seeing the people that I love, the residents and the staff member stressed. Of course, there's some anxiety.
But to relieve some of that anxiety, staff members tell me family members are just a phone call away or a visit away through this glass window, leaving heartfelt messages and even dancing to bring much needed joy.
It's just made us all realize the important things in life is your relationships with people. It's not so much about material things.
Now that all are tested, the staff tells me that there's a greater sense of relief, and the facility will continue to do repeated rounds of testing to make sure all are still negative. Reporting in Richmond Hill tonight, Ricardo Lewis, WSAV News 3 on your side.